Today I bring you downriver to a place called Markland Dam. And the river is flowing. And good old Mr. Kid here is being super brand spanking new. Oh yeah. I'm going to show you a site that I was going to do it more justice. I brought my handheld, which is the oldest camera I own. Now I was going to put it on a tripod. But I left the tripod in the car. But we're going to get a shot, and it's going to be spectacular. In post, if I can hold it steady enough, I may do some of the zooming in there. But guys, look at this. I'd like to welcome you to Markland Dam, the mighty Ohio. Absolutely beautiful. And Kit, please don't pull me. I'm trying to hold this steady as much as I can. Okay, we're going to drop it down. I may zoom in some, I don't know, guys. But yeah, the water's definitely up. We've actually fished here quite a few times. Out of all the places kind of near me, the best place of all, hands down, to fish is here. Yeah. You can catch fish all day long and monsters. Oh yeah. And I said it many times, it's not, if you're going to fish here, you need to know what you're doing. I think Angie and I are capable of fishing here now, but when we started fishing here back a couple years ago, well, we was definitely rookies. But yeah, this is the best fishing hole, well, fishing place I know of that's pretty local to me, although I'm a pretty good piece from home. Pretty much Markland Dam is kind of what you're seeing right here. Right out there is the parking lot. Got a lot of picnic tables, and you got a little bit of a walking path. We're gonna walk on down here and get a pixie. Yeah, a pixie. Back when Angie and I was first married, we used to come up here all the time. And even before we was married, we practically used to live here. I don't know what it was. We always loved to come to Markland Dam. Now we kind of make it here about maybe twice a year. Have we fished up here lately? No. Will we ever come back and fish here? Yeah. I just don't know when. I was going to go to Versailles today and do a trail, but with all that rain we had, no, the trails are going to be way too muddy. As far as getting it, be back. Oh, I don't know. You think a stick will hurt him? He's chewing the crap out of a stick. But as far as getting the dam again at Versailles, I don't want to make that be an overkill. More than likely, the road is closed off getting back there because the water's more than likely over it. Yes, I said more than likely twice. But let's go over to the fancy area where Angie is and get another shot. This might be the shot I might zoom in on, guys, right here. Okay, Kid, don't pull me, honey. Don't pull me. In post, I will probably zoom in on this. Now, we have been on the other side, which is similar to this one, but we're not going over there today. Right up, by the way, obviously, on the other side is Kentucky. All right, Kid, stay. Stay. Hey, Kid, we'll go play on the, I guess, slide? That's the only playground equipment they got here? Oh, there's some down that way? Okay. The difference taking your puppy, or at least my puppy, to a place he's been many times and to a place he's never been is how much he will pull. Yes. If I was at the place, let's take the city park, which he's been there a lot now, he won't pull me at all. He'll be like, okay, Dad, what do you want to do? I stop, he'll stop, and he'll sit. Here, no. All brand new smells, all brand new everything. And he wants to take it all in at one time. Oh, they got a baseball diamond here, and we're going to walk it all the way up to the end of the fence and see what kind of a shot we could get right up yonder there. Evidently, there is another way down there. Well, mine and Angie's feet are soaking wet as we just walked through some saturated grass, and yeah. But no, our cousin Sam told us there's another way down to the dam, And I think he said it was back here. I'm not sure. I only know the one way to the dam, and that's the steps. So he probably knows something I don't know. That's for dang sure. But we'll get up here to the fence line and see what kind of shot we could get from here. There is lots of people with fish here all through the year. Oh my gosh. And I can't tell. I know you can't get in that spot. Can't stay. This is the fence all the way through, but there is steps going down. This is the other way going down. As you can see the steps, and a lot of people fish like right up and underneath this bridge. That is probably one of the best spots here at the dam to fish. And I'm gonna raise the camera up as high as I can and get the dam from this side. Hopefully I'm doing this good. Today would have been a perfect day to practice my drone. Yeah. It is about 52 to 55 degrees, very little wind, but instead we decided to come out for an adventure. And I want to come out to Markland Dam, as I was figuring with all of that rain we had, the dam would be raving, and it is. That's interesting. Wonder what this is. Angie says she thinks this is probably a batting cage. Of course, it's winter time and they don't have the sides on it. But here it is, guys, another baseball diamond right over here. If I swing around real slowly, way over yonder, there's where we came from. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? On the way home, I may stop at my favorite cemetery and get a video there, but it won't be on this clip. It won't be in today's video because I don't want to make the video too godly long. There's still a lot of people out there that don't like long videos. I like to do the long videos, actually. But guys, here at Markland Dam, like I said before, is probably the best fishing place you could ever go. But don't be a rookie. Don't be like Angie and I was a couple years ago. We figured we'd head back yonder this way. Maybe won't step in any more water, which doesn't matter because my feet's already drenched. So is Angie's. But Markland Dam, y'all. It's Markland Dam. We're downriver from where I live, basically. And that's the bridge that goes over to Kentucky onto the other side. All right, let's continue on. Look at this. Look how much of a gentleman he's being with Angie. Well, I spoke too soon, didn't I? He's being a gentleman, all right. Gotta make sure there's no glass in there, but there is, and it's clean. Mighty clean. Another baseball diamond right here. I wonder if these bathrooms are open. It being all season, I bet you they ain't. Nope, it's locked. Oh, looky here, we got a path going straight down. We won't get our feet wet at all, but our feet already is. All right, guys, I get down there to the end and I give my closing thoughts. My knee has been sore the last couple days. Feels better now that I walked it out a little bit, but I don't know what the heck I've done to it. I have no idea. And not to mention, it's a beautiful sight, beautiful scenery here, but not to mention, it's clean. It is absolutely clean. All right, guys, this has been Markland Dam. I know I've got this on my videos before. Well, I got it again. It's another place my puppy kid has not been, but he has now, and I think he likes it. I know some of the, well, I like to say some of the brand new wore off, but it didn't. All right, guys, so next time, come on, let's get out of here. If I do get that graveyard, it'll probably be in your next video. Now, this is the weekend we work, so that's why the adventures are the way they are at this moment. Believe me, more hiking's coming, more Versailles State Park coming, Batesville reservoirs, and before winter's out, we may do some tunnels as well. Yeah, I may revisit the mill, the tunnel mill, and I want to revisit, get this now, the haunted big tunnel. Yes, in Tunnelton, Indiana. The only thing I'm concerned about that is Kit will be with us. I may have to get him booties because I don't know about him walking on them rocks. I am looking into that. Then again, I may put that on the back burner until he's a year old. All right, guys, so next time, leave your comments down below. Hit that like button if you like today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Oh, there's our car. I was looking over that way. We'll see you soon, guys.